Today we're going to do a fitment on a 2019 Dodge Charger Hellcat. This will be the upper or mid mount. Okay, this is a mid or upper mount. There's 2 screws, 7mm heads we're going to remove. This is a very simple installation. Take the factory screws out. Okay, then you're going to take your base plate and 2 4.2 by 25mm screws. Yep, put the screw through the bottom of the base plate, get it started, and then once you have it in there a little bit, go ahead and do the other side first. Don't tighten it down yet. Get them both started, and then you can take your socket wrench and tighten them down. Snug them up, and that's it. That's all there is to it. Now you grab your front plate, and you could we'd have your license plate on the front of that. Well, go ahead and insert it till it locks into the pull pin, and you're done.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then you just repeat for the other 3 screws. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. There we go, last one. Again, these don't have to be super tight because the nylon lock ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.